In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Windows Security app on your Windows 10 and 11 device. Let's begin. Now, you're getting a message like this that says that you'll need a new app to open this Windows Defender link. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. This is a common issue on Windows 10 and it's happening on Windows 11 too. To fix this, all you have to do is go to the Windows Start menu and type PowerShell. Again, PowerShell. Right-click on PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now, what you need to do is copy this next command. I'm gonna put this command on the video description and on the comment section below. Right-click, click on Copy, go back to PowerShell, and right-click on PowerShell to paste the command. Then hit Enter. What this will do is that this will reset the Windows Security app. Once that's done, you can close PowerShell, go back to the Windows Start menu, and type Windows Security. Or you can just type Security. Double click on Windows Security to open the app, and that's it. That's how you can fix the Windows Security app on your Windows 10 and 11 device. If you still have questions, be sure to comment on the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you. This is Chris Jack Technology and I'll be catching you on the next video. Have a good day.